Well, hey everybody, and welcome back. So today I have some really cool DIYs to share with you. As always, they are simple, affordable, and easy to recreate. So if you guys are interested in seeing what I have created today, just keep on watching. I'll be starting off with this fish bowl from the Dollar Tree, and I'll also be using this metallic blue paint. With the damp brush, I'm just going to paint the inside of my container, and the reason I am using a damp brush is because I want the color to show up a little bit more opaque. If you're new to my channel, welcome. It's wonderful to have you with us today. I'm Mrs. Bobby, also known as your Queen of Glitter, and I upload videos every Tuesdays and Thursdays. So be sure to subscribe and turn on your notifications so that you're notified whenever I upload a video. And here's how mine turned out. Now I'm just gonna go in with some white craft paint. I'll be using these gorgeous pearl and bling stickers from the Dollar Tree. Right here you just see me going in with some hot glue just so my stickers don't lift. As you can see here, they're already starting to do that, and that is because the way they're put on is in that circular pattern, which is a little bit more difficult to get your self-adhesive stickers to stick because they like to lay flat. So you can already see them starting to lift. So definitely use some hot glue if you're going to be doing this yourselves. So now I'm going to repeat that same process on the bottom half of my project. DIY that I made a couple years back. Some of you may remember this one, but if you don't, I'll try to link it in the cards. But all this is just one of those disposable cups that I blinged out, and so yeah, it's really simple to make. So if you want to do that, go ahead and check out that video. I'm going to be repurposing this DIY vase as the pedestal for my current project. For my next DIY, I'll be going in with this glass cylinder shaped container from the Dollar Tree. So right here you just see me going in with that same metallic blue paint that I used in the previous DIY, and I'm just going to paint the top portion of my container. Also guys, I wanted to point out that I am using a dry brush for this project. Now that the paint is all dry, I'll be going in with these stickers from my local craft store. Right here you just see me trying to decide where I want to place my second row of bling. Next I'll be going in with this iridescent specialty glitter. Right here you just see me going back in and filling in any spaces that might not have gotten enough glitter. Alright guys, that is it. That's all that I have for you today. If you enjoyed this little video, don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, as well as subscribing and hitting the notification bell. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys!